all the shit, fucking everything go up in flames. I'm scared shitless of those kind of people. They're everywhere. Except for, so I try to look for the, silver lining inside the cloud at the end of the world in Armageddon, and, since I study Kabbalah, I kind of get a little positive. I try to look at the positive side of the end of the fucking world. And there is a positive side, ladies and gentlemen. That means that when the entire fucking planet goes up in flames, the entire diet industry will be going up in flames along with it. That fucking diet industry, that's a bazillion-dollar a year scam that uses fat people as lab rats and guinea pigs. In cahoots with these big drug companies that know that fat people will take anything if you tell them it's going to make them lose weight, right? There's nothing you cannot get a fat person to do to lose weight. Except